So yesterday I applied for PDL. Guys, I kept telling you that I'm going to apply for a PDA, but when I went to the cyber to apply for it, I was told it's not called a PDA, it's called a PDL, not a PDA. So guys, hi guys, good morning. I hope you're doing okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a bird. I hope you're doing okay. If you see me for the first time, my name is Makena J. It's around 10 a.m. I'm actually late. It was actually raining, so I had to wait for the rain to calm down so that I can come out of the house. So this is day 2 of my driving classes. This is day 2. I'm excited for today. I want to see what will unfold. And I'm carrying the book that I was given yesterday. I have to give it back because I'm not the only student. I'm not the only person taking like driving classes. Other people also need to read the book. But I already got what I wanted from it. So it's a beautiful morning here at home, guys. I hope you're loving this journey. I've left everyone back at home. Today I just feel so good. Even my health, like I feel like, I don't know, I just feel okay. Like I feel stronger every day, and I thank God for that. I really thank God for good health. I am really grateful. So guys, let me just go. I always take this small road, and as you can see, the road is starting to disappear because it's been raining and the grass is taking shape, as you can see. Yeah, so this is me today, and this is how I'm dressed. Have you ever gotten out of the house unsure of how you look? That's how I feel today. I don't know how I look. I hope. Okay, I just don't care. I don't care. Like I feel comfortable, but I don't know this outfit. Anyways, guys, see you later. Once maybe I get to the tuk-tuk. Oh, they've put stones to make the road passable. Look at this water. Oh, I feel like someone is about to start building here on the water because it's been raining, has collected here, and this road is usually non-passable, but they've put stones like these small stones, so it's passable. That's all I can say. I usually take this small route because it's a shortcut compared to the other one. Yeah, why do they have an X here? Does it mean that this house is not supposed to continue being built? I don't know. Let me pass through here. Oh, someone is calling. Hello. Hey, good morning. I'm doing good. How are you? Guys, look at the beautiful highway, how it looks. So guys, today I won't be taking the practical lessons because I don't have a PDA, practical driving assessment. I'm supposed to have that so that I can be able to start my practical. So I don't have it. She told me yesterday, but it didn't stick in my mind. I thought it's something that I'm supposed to come and pay here, but I've been told I'm supposed to go to my e-citizen account. Today I'll go to the cyber and have that sorted out. Today I'm just continuing with the theory part, learning about major roads, minor roads. Yeah, so that's how today is, and the class is ongoing. Most of the things I learned yesterday, I'm repeating them today, so it's nothing new today, but just continued learning. So I'll have to go to the cyber get my PDA so that I can be able to start the practical tomorrow. Yeah, the PDA is just around $3, $4. It's around $4. Like roughly, not exactly, but roughly $4. So let me go to the cyber. Let me first finish today's class. Go to the cyber, get my PDA. Then tomorrow we can do the practical, guys. Yeah. Guys, this is our driving car, and we'll be getting an introduction of the car. And this is my teacher of today. Very shy. Mwalimu, mbona unaogopa? So guys, today we were actually doing an introduction. I thought we cannot do practicals without the PDA, but we did an introduction of the car, like the steering, how you hold it, how you move the car seat, that kind of stuff, how you open the side mirror like this, you see it's moving, that kind of stuff. So what else? And this is a manual car. I'm actually learning manual, both manual and automatic. But if you see this on the handbrake, this is a manual car with some gears. So we were learning how to move them, that kind of stuff, and the accelerator, the brakes, and everything. So guys, it's progressing well. This is day 2, and it's really progressing well, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to get my PDA so that tomorrow we start the practical. Guys, it's getting harder by day, but we can do this, right? We got this. So let me go and get my PDA. I can't wait to see myself driving on this highway. So guys, I'm currently at the cyber. I'm taking the, okay, I've been told it's not called a PDA as I was calling it. It's a PDL. Umesema PDL inamaanisha? Provincial driving license. Yeah, provincial driving license. Guys, there's a lot of music here, so I can't block for long, but it's a PDL, not a PDA. So here I am. Hey guys, this is actually the next day in the morning. I don't know, I have a habit of finishing my videos the following day. Like yesterday, after I was done applying for the PDL, I went to town. I was going to do something there in the bank, and I found out that the bank, it was already too late. I got there at 4 p.m. The banks were already closed down, and I decided to do another video in the streets of Nairobi, and I did not complete this one. So I just woke up, as you can see. This is me while waking up. It's very early in the morning. It's actually kind of like rainy, so I've been sleeping a lot, and I don't know, yesterday before I slept I felt so tired, but right now I feel great. I thank God for another beautiful day. I thank God for good health. And so yesterday I applied for PDL. Guys, I kept telling you that I'm going to apply for a PDA, but when I went to the cyber to apply for it, I was told it's not called a PDA, it's called a PDL, not a PDA. So guys, sorry for that confusion. I'm also learning. So that PDL is something that you need for you to be able to drive. Even though you're taking a driving test, you need to have something that allows you to be on the road. You just can't be on the road. So today I applied for the PDL. It takes time to come out, so I don't know if I'll be able to do the practicals, but I'll just go to school and see. I'll pass through the cyber first and see if it was approved, so that we can be able to download it, and so that I can be able to do the practicals. But if it will not have come out, I don't know what I'll do. I'll just go to the school and they'll give me a way forward. So guys, I hope I'm encouraging most of you. Like, the reason I decided to do this series, first of all, it's because I want to encourage like young people like me and you parents. If you can afford to pay skills for your children early enough, please do it. Some skills are very important in life, and if your children really want it, like for me, I really wanted to do driving ever since I finished high school, but I could not do it because first of all, my dad could not afford it, and yeah, that's the reason I could not do it. So if you're a parent watching this and you can afford paying for skills that your kids want and you feel like they're important, I'm not just talking about driving, other skills, like let them go and get those skills. This life, it's hard to navigate when you're just there. You don't have skills, you know. It's good to have some skills. So for me right now, when I can afford taking this driving test, I'm taking it. It's important to have that driving license, and God willing, one day, you know, it's one step at a time. One day I'll have my own car. It's not my first priority, but one day I wish to have a car. So guys, that's it. Today I want to prepare. It's 8 a.m. I want to prepare and be there early, though it looks like it wanna rain. Looks like it wants to rain, guys. It's been raining already, but it looks like it wants to continue raining. I hope before it starts raining, I'll have prepared myself and gone to the driving school, and I hope today I'll finish early. Yesterday it took so much time, that's why I was late to go to the bank, because I was there at around 10:50 a.m. I was already there, but we stayed up to 2 p.m. Like, it took so much time. Oh my god. I hope today, if I'll do the practicals, I hope it won't take so much time. Oh my god. Guys, thank you so much. Let me go and prepare myself for the day. I'm hoping after the classes I'll go to town and do some vlogs, because guys, I want you know, I'm still healing. I'm pacing up myself as I heal, because I can't stay without like posting, without connecting with you guys. Yeah, so guys, I hope you're enjoying this series. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for the support. I don't take it for granted. I always pray to God to always continue blessing you with everything, with the desires of your hearts, and with graceful hearts, because that's the reason you watch me, guys. For the love, it's the grace, it's the favor. May God bless you. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. I love you so much. Bye bye.